Hi, I'm Nick. So hopefully you've read my online blog about chattels in the personal tax exam and had a chance to go at some of the questions. Now I want to go through the answers and hopefully we've come to the same figures. Let's see. So the first one, a piano was bought for £4,000 and was sold for £8,000. So here we have the proceeds above £6,000 and the cost below £6,000. So we have to use the Chattel formula to see if we need to restrict the gain. But the first thing we need to do is calculate the gain normally. So that's going to be £8,000 less the cost of £4,000, giving us a gain of £4,000. But now we need to calculate the restriction, and the restriction is going to be 5/3 times by, in brackets, the proceeds of 8,000 less £6,000. That equals £3,333. So the chargeable gain will be the lower of the gain calculated normally or the restriction. So it's going to be £3,333. So the next one, a signed Kylie LP, was bought for £4,000. It's now worth £14,000. So the first thing we do, just like before, because we've got a cost below and proceeds above £6,000, we calculate the gain as normal. It's going to be £14,000 less the cost of £4,000 equals £10,000. So now we need to use the Chattel formula to see if we need to restrict this gain or not. So that is 5/3 times by proceeds 14,000 less £6,000. That equals £13,333. So in this case, the lower of the gain and the restriction is the gain calculated normally. So we're going to use £10,000 as the chargeable gain. So in the third disposal, an antique mirror bought for £3,000, sold for £5,000. Both the cost and the proceeds are below £6,000. So because of that, this entire disposal is exempt from capital gains tax. Now finally, a dinner table was bought for £12,000 and sold for £4,000. So in this scenario, the cost is above £6,000 and the proceeds are below. So we deem the proceeds to be £6,000 rather than £4,000 in our computation. It's just like before. It's the proceeds, but in this case the deemed proceeds of £6,000 less the cost of £12,000 gives us a capital loss of £6,000. It's not £8,000. The proceeds are deemed to be £6,000. Hopefully, this helps you understand the Chattel rule in the personal tax exam, which will be tested.